Welcome to the installation guide for the Blanket Assistant. This tool is designed to provide advanced diagnostics and troubleshooting capabilities for the Blanket software system. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of installing the Blanket Assistant on your computer. Let's get started. To begin, download the Blanket Assistant installer from the provided link. Make sure you have a stable internet connection for the download. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file on your computer and double-click to run it. The installer wizard will now guide you through the installation process. Read through the End User License Agreement. If you agree to the terms, select the I accept the agreement option and click Install to continue. The Blanket Assistant is now being installed on your computer. Please wait for the process to complete. Congratulations! The installation of the Blanket Assistant is now complete. Click on the Finish button to exit the installer. You can now access the Blanket Diagnostics tool from your desktop or the Start menu. Next up, please refer to the Blanket Assistant operation video, which will show you how to record data used to increase the accuracy of Blanket.